Good morning, YouTube. Clearly, Prince Salem has caught another mouse, and he's being an absolute demon about it. Oh my God, so I went to Spencer's the other day and I found the absolute perfect cup. Hold on. I thought that was so cute. And look, a feline. So we're gonna use this to make my morning coffee. Sabela is not seeing it for Prince Salem's attitude. She's like, no, he did not just growl at me like that. Miss Kitty. That is so good. Melozio Boost has extra caffeine. I've made a shorts on that before, but if you've never tried it, I would highly recommend you try that pod. Sabela, she's very cross with her brother. He's being awfully mean. He's not being mean. He's just proud of himself, you know? Feeling himself. If you like this cup, I'd recommend you go to Spencer's and pick yourself up one. It's like really cute. And that's definitely Johnny Palermo's only prescription right there. And if you are in the Northeast, stay safe with this snow.